So whether you're looking for some encouragement or you just need to be reminded of the strong and powerful woman that you are, and them guns, I have none. There are tons of awesome songs out there to choose from for any situation. So this morning, we're sharing our top 5 or your top 5, Kay? All right, we'll make them ours. Top 5 no-nonsense female songs. All right. I'm afraid to ask, where are we starting?
My one can't play.
I'm every woman. Let me see.
No, sir. The great Marianne Hall.
Jeez, I'm crying daily. All right. Marianne Hall or Lady Saw?
Well, it sounds better to say Marianne Hall on the morning show.
Okay, we'll work with that. This song became a feminist anthem for its message, featuring lyrics that asserted a woman's independence within the context of a relationship. It was later used in the film First Wives Club. You must know this from a movie starring Bette Midler, Goldie Hawn, and Diane Keaton.
You know how long First Wives Club come out?
Yeah, but you know every movie. Is this, go on now, go! Walk out the door!
No.
Don't hang around now.
R-E-S-P-C-T? Play it. Wait a
man. Feminist anthem for its message.
Featuring that asserted a woman's independence within the context of a relationship. Only Dolly Parton.
All right, go on. We're stumped. Play it. The older version. Play now.
Oh, they literally sang this song in the show.
Don't tell me what you say.
Yeah, I think that Midler did this song over.
Bring another version there. And please, when I go on tune.
All right.
Don't put me on display.
I know my anthem, but
I would never have known. This song debuted, I think there's something missing there, apologies for that, in 1978, and was later covered by a pop star in the 90s. Became a huge anthem for women worldwide.
I tell you, so much anthem women have, that's a problem.
And I were not born.
You know, so that's why men can't bother with me. How much anthem we want have?
But because we read about 1978, we're gonna guess.
This is our second anthem. How much anthem we have?
78.
Pick an anthem.
Oh, I'm gonna guess. Is it Shaka Khan's? Oh! It was a guess. Anything you want done, baby.
I'm not sure why Spanish Town is dancing, but I'm gonna leave it.
Because he supports his woman.
Like this song, Kikina, on its own.
I'm every woman. Whitney too.
I can read your thoughts right now.
And the rhythm makes. Whoa,
whoa, whoa,
whoa, whoa, whoa. I can cast a spell. What's the next one? This song was written on Valentine's Day. You know, Kay? We're not whole people.
In 1967. So, woman, the anthem were right after 2000. Me just want
are in the 90s even?
Only them time the women right at the Atlantic Record Studio. The song later became the anthem
for the civil rights movement and feminists worldwide. So this one would be civil rights.
For the civil rights movement?
R-E-S-P-C-T?
Almost R-E-S-P-C-T. 1967?
Civil rights and feminists.
That quiz you need Dennis Howard and Brian Mackenzie.
All right. This song was released by a dancehall queen who made it big on Mango Records in the late 80s. This Henry Whitfield song was about keeping men in check and became an instant hit in Jamaica in 1988.
A dancehall queen.
Your sister Nancy?
In 1988. A dancehall queen about keeping men in check.
Patra? Koof?
And why you know so the thunder stand there and roll with our friend?
This is not in check. This is violence, domestic violence.
Sometimes a man forget,
I'm not having it. I'm not having it. If a man sang a song that said sometimes woman forget coof, we would say it is violence. I'm not promoting
that would not be an anthem.
I'm not
Why is
promoting
Hara
it.
laughing? I think we should strike that one from the list. K. I mean, you know, right. The last one.
But the men who beat women should get cuffed. Anyway, this song was written and first recorded, Jesus have mercy, 1979 by American musician Robert Hazard. It was later covered as a single by an American singer in 1983. Song is also known as a feminist anthem because of its darling lyrics. Some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world.
Girls, they wanna have fun.
Yeah.
No. Spanish don't love these songs, man.
That's funny stuff. Yeah, you need to have a talk, brother.
Which is true.
Girl. All right, so.
Yes, Harris, we're listening.
So really, that's what I'm saying. So really, Beyonce did not make this list?
This is the 70s, 80s edition. Next week, we're going to do, on Girl Power Tuesday, the 90s, 2000s edition. She didn't tell you that, but she told me that this morning.
Independent, and what she name, Gaza Slim never make this list?
She actually did not tell
Me
me
have
that
money
this
in my
morning.
pocket, so I feel that. With that never make the list.
Oh, I got.
We don't have that. I don't know about you, but me know, did that not make the list? Me enjoy myself.
Gaza Harris in the place.
That never make the list?
Delia Rivers is also a dancer.
No, we have to come to Jamaica now for the no nonsense.
Yes.
Then they all right. We have to come to Jamaica.
Oh, and we need to
wonder where some man has study around
Tanya
here.
Stevens.
Yes.
Oh, gosh.
See, them are hype. Tanya Stevens.
No, but that song was about women.
But she still a tell us everyone about yourself. She said, she not argue
man
about
and Melissa with problem. Yeah.
Man and Lisa with problem.
Hey,
Yes.
so we get idiot. Okay,
Yes.
next week we do the local version.
Come on.
And Taylor will also perform for
kid.
us
Come
on that version.
Next week we gotta go Jamaica, man.
Jamaica, man.
Jamaica have the wickedest feminist song them. Come on.
Okay,
Come
are you
on.
going to perform for us next week?
If I the Jamaica version.
Yes, the Jamaica version.
Good.
You promise?
I'm with you.
No, do you?
Patra?
Do you promise?
If we go Jamaica.
Do you promise?
If we go Jamaica.
We're going Jamaica. Do you promise?
If we go Jamaica.
All
No
right.
problem.
Cannot break a promise to your friend, because I'll be mad.
But if we not come back with the 1963 music, me I left Simone one up here.
No, never. You never leave me or forsake me. On the
Oh my
other
gosh,
side of the
we're
break,
out of, yeah.
we are going kitchen next.
We're going to kitchen, we soon come.